If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up traders, this is Vee Trades and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for the Southern Company with the ticker symbol SO. This was a viewer's request and thank you for your donation. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Here we have the daily chart for SO. So what does it look like we're going to do in the next week or two, or possibly the next month? Well, let's take a look at this previous uptrend. It was a nice little uptrend in play. We recently had a break outside of it, so we started consolidating for pretty much an entire month. Show you guys that right now. So you can see that all these price bars are inside of a very tight range. It looks like the lows were at the 73.08 and the highs were right around the 75.31 level. So prices were consolidating inside of a tight range, and we finally saw a breakout just today. So if this breakout is successful, we could probably get a retest of the previous high at the 77.19 level, because there is a measured move targeting that area. So this was, if we do get a successful break, we can reach the 77.56 level, which will make a new all-time high for this stock in a retest of this uptrend highs. So I think that's where we can go. That's what it looks like prices are wanting to do, retest these highs. We're seeing some follow through in this breakout, but again, most breakouts fail, but it can at least continue momentarily. We don't have to reverse right away. So we could probably get that new high, maybe even reach the $78-79 level. But either way, I'm expecting a bigger pullback, and I'll show you guys why in the weekly chart. Now, if we do get a retest of those highs, and even if we don't, we could see a bigger sell-off, possibly breaking down and coming back down to the $69 level. And the reason for that is because we did not test this breakout. So most breakouts like to be tested. So this breakout wasn't tested, so there's a good chance of that occurring. For example, you can see that if I put a horizontal line at this breakout, there was a gap left over here, and then prices did not come back and test it until we finally did, from December to February. So it took 2 months to come back, fill in this gap, and test this breakout level at the 63.78 level before continuing higher. So something like that could occur. We could continue higher. I don't know. I'm not sure how much further up it can go, because I do see a pullback in the near future. But we could hit that $77 level, make a new all-time high, maybe go up a little bit further, but I don't think we're going to get up to the $80, the high 80s or the mid 90s before seeing this pullback that I'm expecting. So let's go and wrap this up on the weekly chart. Here we have the weekly chart for the Southern Company, and since 2020 we've been inside of a nice uptrend, and this uptrend has not ended like a bunch of other stocks, a bunch of other technology stocks, where we saw the uptrend and then we saw pretty much a 100% retracement back down to those 2020 lows. But this one still continued to trend higher, so that tells me that the fundamentals are either pretty good, or there must be another reason why this stock continues to go up, and I can see it on the price action. It is a utility company, so people got to pay their bills if they want that heater on or the lights on. So definitely very important company. So you can see where we are relative for this uptrend channel since 2020. So we are near its highs, which is dangerous if you want to be a bull, because once we get up to these highs, just like we had back here in November 2020, we could see a pullback, and these pullbacks could be a let's take a look, could be a 12% drop, or maybe up to 20. So once we hit, since we didn't completely get rejected and sent to the lower side of the channel, looks like we're going back up again. So once we probably get rejected again at the $78, $79 level, that's probably when we should be expecting a bigger pullback to the support side of the channel, and that could be a maybe a 15 or 20% drop, another 12% drop. If we drop from the highs that I think we can reach at the $79 level back down to the 69, that's only a 12% drop. So this is a nice strong trend, nice healthy channel. Even though I see higher prices on the daily chart, so in the next week or two, possibly the next month, we should be making a new all-time high for the stock. But I doubt we're going to reach these mid 80 price targets or the low 90s price targets without a major pullback. So I still think the channel is going to hold. We still have a lot of room to continue higher, but I'm expecting higher prices in the short term, a bigger pullback to the support side of this channel, and then continuation with the trend. So that's all I have for the Southern Company. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.